Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to enable AutoPlay in Google Play. In this video, we'll be showing you how to activate AutoPlay in Google Play. First, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed and that you're signed in into your account. To begin, open the app on your device, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will bring up the AutoPlay option. Select it. Next, navigate to the Pending tab and choose the mandate you want to enable AutoPay for. Once selected, simply enter a UPI PIN to confirm. After this, your AutoPay will be successfully activated, allowing recurring payments to process automatically. You can also review and manage your AutoPay mandates anytime in the app, giving you full control over your transactions and helping you ensure timely payments without extra effort. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.